In this video, we're going to show you how to import photos for your people from a zip file. Starting with a basic organization with no photos, we'll go to the top bar and click the Import button. Then we will click the Import Photos link here in the lower right to be taken to the Start screen. We'll click the Upload Zip File to get started. Let's take a look at what kind of files we can import. Organimi will accept PNG and JPEG files of 2 megabytes or less. The zip file in our example has 5 files, and you notice the way the files are named. 1 has the person's name as the file name, 2 have the email address as the file name, and the other 2 just have random file names. Organimi will be able to auto-match names with email addresses or the person's name, but the other ones will have to be matched manually during the matching process. With these 5 files in our zip file, we can import the file right here. It may take a few minutes to process all the images if you have a large zip file with a lot of photos. Once the images are loaded, you can choose your organization, and that will start the auto-matching process. You can see that Organimi tells us that 5 photos were found, and Organimi was able to match 3 of the files but not the other 2. You see here that Organimi was able to auto-match the files where the file name matched the person's name or the person's email address. But the ones where they were random file names, we have to match the person in our talent pool to the photo directly. So Organimi gives us a simple search through the talent pool with a list that is pre-filtered to only show the people who do not already have photos. We can do a search for the person in a list and then select them, or just select them by scrolling down the list. Once you've matched all the photos that you can, you will click Upload Photos to complete the process. It will process the photos one at a time and add them to the user's record. And now we can see the photos here in the people list. Going back to the chart and opening the talent pool, we see all the photos in place. We didn't have a photo for Abby in our zip file, so remember that we can always just upload photos from our computer one by one, or we can use the Organimi search feature to search on Google or LinkedIn for any photos it can find for that person. Sometimes adding the company name helps to find a match on LinkedIn, as we can see here in finally finding Abby's photo on LinkedIn and grabbing it to add for her record. Now all the photos have been set up for this organization, and that completes our demo on how to import photos from a zip file. If you still have issues, give us a call and we'll be happy to help you get your photos uploaded to the system and help you finish your chart setup. Thank you.